Hello learners, this is the last video of our course Gender, School and Society. In this video we will discuss about the gender discrimination. So what are the areas of gender discrimination? The first one is denial of birth, for example female feticide. Second is denial of fundamental needs, for example in many Indian families even today the girl child of the family are not getting the proper diet, they are not getting the milk or the fruits. So these are the fundamental need of every child. So if there is no for these fundamental needs, so there is a chance of gender discrimination in education. There is less number of girls in comparison to boys in education sector. Discrimination in employment, in recruitment process there is also discrimination, and wage discrimination is also prevailing from the ancient time to the present scenario too. What are the causes of gender discrimination? The first one is poverty, the second one is illiteracy, the third one is lack of employment facilities. Fourth, custom and traditions become a barrier for the girl or the female. Social attitude is not like that the female should be working even in this era too. Lack of awareness regarding rights among women. So these are the causes for the gender discrimination. How the gender discrimination is prevailing in educational institutions, especially girls in rural areas continue to be less educated than boys. Greater percentage of female compared to males drop out from their educational journey after the age of 12. As the education level become higher, the enrollment number of girls students will become less. Girls tend to have concentration in selective discipline in higher education, like arts, home science, art faculty subjects, while lacking presentation in other education realms. Gender equality through curriculum. How curriculum can play an important role. India has a clear policy on undifferentiated curricula for both sexes. Curriculum helps to clear the biological sex and social gender are separable concepts. The concerns to be addressed by the teachers and administrator for eliminating sex biases need to promote gender equality and positive self-concept through curriculum and life skills approach. We should develop the gender sensitive curriculum. And what are the characteristics of gender sensitive curriculum? Effective pictures and illustrations should shown to the children that a woman is not merely a mother, but she can be a teacher, a doctor, a professor, an engineer, etc. Depict men and women in shared roles. Display the talent of women in various fields. Gender sensitive curriculum continuing. The textbooks are to be free of gender bias and sex stereotypes. A gender sensitive life skills approach to curriculum transaction need to be practices. Focus more on family life education, legal literacy, and life saving skills, etc. There are gender inequality in academic employment too. Women faculty report preferring to spend a larger percentage of their work week on teaching and a small percentage on research. Teaching time allocation preferences. Understanding gender inequality in academia by identifying and attempting to explain differential time allocation preferences, behaviors, and mismatches too. So in this video, we have discussed what is gender discrimination, what are the areas of gender discrimination, what are the causes of gender discrimination, and how the gender sensitive curriculum can play an important role in bringing the gender equality. Thank you so much students for listening me.